Hi, welcome back. On today's to-do list, I'm going to tackle the garage, try and tidy it up. It's an absolute state, and I thought I would surprise Clive because I know when he gets back on Saturday was one of his to-do lists. Only problem I have is that he may be not too happy because he seems to not be able to find anything when it's been put back in its right place. Go figure. Anyway, that's on the to-do list. Let's get started. Okay, first things first, I'm going to take a lot of the big stuff out so that we got space to clean. Even grab the mama bear in to help. No wonder we're all killing ourselves trying to get in and out of here. Let's get the show on the road. Now, as you know, we actually have a flat tire problem in this premises, so I'm going to pump this one up so I can move it out. This funky tool, yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. I think she'll move as soon as I start the tractor up.
Tell me what I'll be doing then. This.
You can't lift cement, Mom. Give me 2 minutes just to move the tractor out. Don't worry about Frankie. No, she'll be fine as soon as I start the Ferrari. Okay, Mama Bear, move your sexy body.
Go in the car, eh?
Yeah, let me move this. Very. Right, first things first, I'm going to go on spider patrol and get rid of all the spiders, which will give us a little bit more.
Where are the spiders? Up in the boxes or what?
Everywhere. I guess really what I'm trying to do is to find space to pick up all the crap on the floor, get it off the ground, get the tools back in the toolbox, and try and make it just a little bit neater. Take all the stuff that was in here that doesn't belong in here back to where it goes. As they say in the classics, boys never grow up. Their toys just become more expensive. That's so true. Whew. Right. Let's see what I can do there. All right. There's a gap there. There's a gap up there. There's that coffee machine. I think I put them outside, Mum. I think. There they are over there. Oh, vacuum spiders. Oh. That's why that's not working. Need something to... Okay, done. Oh, This is for the diatomaceous earth. I don't know what that is, but he might need it, so I'll just put the other one down there. That needs to go up there, but I'm actually going to just leave it there for now. Hey, I don't know. Oh, rubbish. That's it's a bag to put builder's rubble in. That's rubbish. I think that's, I don't know what that is. That I know is plastic, plastica, plastic bag. I don't know what this is. Looks like a pump of sorts. It looks like it could be piping 4 cables. There we go.
What's all that? Going up there, looking across there. Is it
Wasp's net or hornet. They build those mud things. Yep. It's too far up for me. Rags. What is this? I'm just going to stick that there. And I'm going to stick that there. I have no idea what this crap is. I'll put it there for now. This box I need to get in.
How to put this with that, I don't know.
What is it?
Well, I found it at the back there.
It says Smart Petrol. I'll put it up here. No, throw it. That can throw.
And these?
Oh, those are ice packs. Yeah. Right. Making progress slowly. Still a lot of spider webs though. Oh. Oh, right. Getting there slowly.
Do they cover or something?
Okay, that can go home. This is sticking here, up there. Cable, keyboard. That can go up there. Making progress slowly. Before this thingy comes down. I do know one of the jobs Clive wants to do when he gets back is unpack this lot, which is for our new solar system upgrading, or something to that effect. So at least now he's got space in which to do that. It's been vacuumed. It's spider free. Well, this area is. And I've managed to clear and put away and find space for a lot of the stuff. Hopefully one of these fine days, Clive's going to be able to use that wood Some of it is to finish the cupboard in the one spare room we have. The other is to finish the cupboards in my room. The motorbike here needs a damn good service, and then he definitely needs to take me for a ride. We have the quad bike outside that's just actually disintegrating at this stage, but that also, when we have time, needs to be repaired. As I said earlier, the boxes that you see everywhere is the start of the new solar system, or the add-on solar system, which hopefully, now that I've cleared the garage for him, he will have time to build this weekend coming. I'll take you around this way. Not sure how much you'll be able to see. I will move the strimmers, weed whackers back to the she shed where most of the garden stuff is stored. And then that gives him a whole area here in which to use to work in. This is the area I'm now going to tackle. Plenty spiders. I think that's also part of the solar system. And slowly, I'm going to now try and tidy up this terrible mess. The area is way too small for me to put you on to watch what I'm doing, but I will just keep showing you every now and again how far I'm getting. Wish me luck. Almost on the home stretch. It is looking a wee bitty neater, tidier. There's just a few more things to do. And hopefully, Clive will be happy. I think that looks a lot better than when I started this morning. Thanks to my mum's help, we've done it a lot quicker. In fact, it's only taken me one day, although I thought I had put aside 2 days to do this. Let's hope Clive is as happy as I am with it. At least it gives him a little bit of space to now come back to and hopefully get a few more of the jobs that need doing. This area is almost good enough to have a party, and it's all nice and tidy and clean. I'm very pleased the camera was off when I was being chased by a few daddy long legs and I had to do a little ippy-tomby dance. So, another job I can tick off the list.
Jesus, we had a burglary. I'm never going to find anything now, am I? Well done, babe.
Happy Father's Day.
When's it Father's Day?
It's last.
It's Happy Father's Day. Oh, we've done that one already. Wow. Okay, where did you put everything though?
It's all on camera, don't worry.
Oh, you filmed where you put everything. That's a good plan. Sure. Sure. Good job. Ah, fuck, awesome. I can get straight into doing the battery now. Batteries. Good job. Thank you. Sure. Ah, that's awesome.